Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now in this video today, I'm going to be making some breakfast, so come on with me guys. Now I pulled out of my refrigerator some items, and whatever the items are, we're going to just put them all together and make my son some breakfast. So I had some smoked sausage, I had some butter, I had some shredded cheese and sliced cheese. We have some eggs. Let's see what we can do with this. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jean Home Decor and More, and Deborah Cavazza Home Living. Remember, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I cut up some of that smoked sausage. I cut up a red onion and put some butter in the pan. We are going to like flash fry this until it's cooked. Then we're going to move on over to the eggs. Okay, so we had 3 eggs in the container, so we may as well use all 3 eggs. I put a little bit of heavy cream because this is what I use. We're gonna scramble that up and move on to the next step. Okay, so I found one of these pie crusts in the refrigerator. There was one left, so we're not going to waste anything. So I'm going to go ahead, spray this with a non-stick spray. I'm going to drop a little bit of flour in there just to make sure nothing sticks. And I don't know, let me sit here and think. Now after the sausage is cooked enough for me, we're going to go ahead and cook the eggs in there, mix all of that stuff in there together, and we'll continue. guess I could try to even this out a little bit more, but you know, we're too hungry for that. So I'm just going to try to press it in with that fork and then go ahead and pour the mixture of the egg and the sausage inside of this. Make sure we put plenty of cheese, and into the oven this is going to go. Now, I believe I baked this between 20 and 25 minutes. 350 degrees, guys. Doesn't this look amazing? You'd think I was a chef. When you have to feed your family, you'll think of something. Now, I was so hungry, I did not give this time to cool, so of course it was breaking up a little bit. Once it sets and it's cooled off, it'll stay together. All right, guys, so it does look amazing to me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eat it anyway. So let's head on over to the review, guys. So I do want to take a moment and thank Jean and Debbie for hosting this collaboration with me. We have so much fun on this in this collab. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.